Here we have a Robbins and Myers motor, which is attached to a lathe. It's not all there, but I'll show you how it operates. The motor is 1.5 horsepower. It does come on. The problem is the back end of the lathe is missing its clamp that holds it down. It holds this piece right here, so it's nothing to grab onto it. I got this out of an estate of a woodworker. This was one of his pieces that he had in his shop. So please be aware of that. That does turn pretty well. Of course, it's dusty from being in a wood shop. This switch, more dust. Clamps right here. Turn it around. The bottom of it. Well, so there you go. But it does run. But just make note, the back piece is missing. Alright, thank you.